I am currently posted as the Principal Secretary for Department of IT, Biotechnology and Science and Technology. And this whole sector of animation, visual effects, gaming and comics falls within the IT spectrum in a way because they use a lot of IT technology and they're one part of the whole IT scale. And that's how the department is involved with this association of Bangalore Animation Based Industries, ABAI. And we are working very closely with them. We have identified that this sector, AVGC sector, has a great potential in Bangalore, which is probably still underutilized as compared to its potential. So we have taken that up as a priority in the government of Karnataka, and we were the first state to come up with a separate policy. You see, the regular IT policy is aimed at the larger IT and IT services companies, which doesn't really suit this sector, the AVGC sector. So we decided to come up with a separate policy tailor-made to this sector, and that's how the interaction began, and then it resulted in a whole policy coming out. There are various aspects of the policy, and we are now currently working with ABAI in implementing different items of that policy. One of the things, apart from doing events and trying to promote the industry, the AVGC industry, we have already now set up a train the trainer facility where we are funding ABAI, and ABAI has set it up, and mid-September it's being opened, this thing where the industry will mentor and set up the curriculum for a rigorous training course, which is one of the requirements where you feel, because this industry needs highly trained professionals of various kinds, and the existing training institutes are not up to the mark. So this institute, which government is funding and it's going to be run by ABAI, aims to set up a proper curriculum of the desired order, and the teachers would be trained, and then in turn they will train the others. So we set that up in motion. We are also now setting up a post-production lab facility with a studio arrangement, so that most of the companies find it very expensive to get this part of the work done, and many of them have to go to Mumbai or Chennai or something like that. So now once we have that in Bangalore, we'll make it more affordable to the smaller companies so that they don't have to invest in this kind of an equipment, because this is a capital intensive industry. So our idea is that we set up a common facility so that they can pay at a subsidized rate and use those facilities. We have also worked with ABAI, and we have set up 7 digital art centers in traditional art schools. The idea being that the conventional art schools also get exposed to digital arts, and the students get exposed to this from year 1 onwards, and so that it's a choice for them whether they want to pursue in the conventional arts or apply conventional art and make digital arts their career, or use a blend of both. So that's one of the things. So there are a series of events and small programs. So let's hope we do well. I also think it's proper that the government works closely with the industry, because we don't have the requisite domain knowledge, and we can't understand better than the industry. So it's always better to work closely with the industry and do what the industry wants rather than government doing what it wants. See, our role is the facilitating role. We are the facilitators. We can do the funding. We can enable things to happen. But end of the day, it's the industry which should really come up with the design of what they want, and is it practical, and they should also populate it and popularize it, etc. So I can't take it to the industry. What I can do is I can try and make things happen for the industry as per what the industry feels is needed, and as a government we can facilitate that. So I think it's a right cooperation between industry and government, and we hope this will pay off rich dividends in the coming years. No, we would like to make Karnataka in general and Bangalore in particular the AVGC capital in India, definitely, and perhaps in because we see incredible talent here. Even now there are several Bollywood and Hollywood movies which have certain items made in Bangalore. There are a whole lot of popular international games. They are made in Bangalore, either wholly or partly. So I think we are also not exploring the comic segment so much in India as compared to the international industry. So I feel that there's a tremendous amount of growth, and it comes also naturally to many kids and students because gaming has now become part of their life. So they do play a lot of games, and their interest in the sector is just providing the right avenues and the right courses. I think it will pick up. It has not impacted at all. Government of Karnataka, irrespective of the party in power, has been very supportive of the industry, and somehow it's the party neutral kind of policies. And in fact, this is true of all sectors. If you talk to the industry, they'll always say this. IT started mid-90s when Mr. S.M. Krishna was the first CM and gave a fillip, but it kept growing every year. And even now, despite all the issues Bangalore has, IT sector keeps growing, and we have seen so many governments. So one good thing which the industry likes is that the policies have not been changed because of changes in government.